Ever wondered what you'd do if you got a toothache back in ancient Rome? You might be surprised, and maybe a little grossed out. Forget everything you know about modern medicine, because we're diving into some of the most bizarre healing practices of the Roman Empire. Imagine this. You're walking through the bustling streets of Rome, and suddenly, a sharp pain hits your tooth. You rush to the nearest doctor, but instead of a drill, he hands you a mouthwash made of urine. Yes, you heard that right. The Romans believed the ammonia in urine could disinfect wounds and even whiten teeth. They were so convinced of its power that there was a thriving trade in urine, especially from specific regions, believe it or not. They would literally ship and sell it. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. What if you had a headache? A Roman physician might prescribe electric eels. They'd place a live, wriggling electric eel on your forehead, hoping the shock would jolt the pain away. It sounds crazy, but they were actually onto something about using electrical impulses for pain relief, even if their method was a bit shocking. And let's talk about surgery. Roman surgeons were surprisingly skilled, but their tools and anesthetics were well limited. For serious injuries, especially on the battlefield, they'd perform amputations. But to stop the bleeding, they would sometimes cauterize the wound with a red-hot iron. No painkillers, just pure grit. It was brutal, but it often saved lives. Even stranger were the remedies for epilepsy. The physician, Scribonius Largus, wrote about a truly macabre cure. He recommended drinking the warm blood of a freshly slain gladiator. The belief was that the vitality and strength of the gladiator would pass to the patient and cure the falling sickness. It's a gruesome thought, but it shows how desperate people were for any hope of a cure. From urine mouthwash to gladiator blood cocktails, ancient Roman medicine was a wild mix of surprisingly forward-thinking ideas and utterly baffling practices. It really makes you appreciate your modern-day pharmacy, doesn't it? What's the strangest historical fact you've ever heard? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more weird history.